Today I am going to discuss chapter 3, class 10, pairs of linear equation in two variables. So today I am going to discuss how we reduce equations in system of linear equation. Two equations are given to me. For example, 5 upon x plus y minus 2 upon x minus y is equal to minus 1, and 15 upon x plus y plus 7 upon x minus y is equal to 10. First we will reduce them in system of linear equation. Let 1 upon x plus y is equal to u, 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. So by putting the value 5 into 1 upon x plus y, we get 5u minus 2v is equal to minus 1. And second equation we get 15u plus 7v is equal to 10. Here I am using elimination method. You can use any of the methods, substitution or cross multiplication. Multiplying equation 1 by 3, we get 15u minus 6v is equal to minus 3, 15u plus 7v is equal to 10. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3, we get v is equal to 1. We get v is equal to 1. By put v is equal to 1 in equation 1, we get u is equal to 1 by 5. Here we get v is equal to 1 and u is equal to 1 by 5. We let v is equal to 1 upon x minus y and u is equal to 1 upon x plus y. So we get 1 upon x plus y is equal to, we let it as a u, 1 upon x plus y is equal to u, and it is equal to 1 by 5. So by cross multiplying them, we get x plus y is equal to 5. Same, we let 1 upon x minus y is equal to v, we get 1 upon x minus y is equal to v is equal to 1. So by cross multiplying them, we get x minus y is equal to 1. So here again I am using elimination method because I get two more equations. By solving them, I get x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So how we reduce equations in system of linear equations? You understand it very well. I am discussing one more example with you. Here two equations are given to me. 8v minus 3u is equal to 5ub. 6v minus 5u is equal to minus 2uv. So first we dividing both the equation by uv. 8v is divided by uv minus 3u is divided by uv and 5uv is divided by uv. We get two equations. 8u minus 3v is equal to 5. 6u minus 3v is equal to minus 2. So again, let 1 upon u is equal to x, 1 upon v is equal to y. We get two more equations. 8x minus 3y is equal to 5. 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 2. How we reduced it? Is it clear to you, all of you? Again I am using elimination method here. Multiplying equation 1 by 3, equation 2 by 4. I get 24x minus 9y is equal to 15. 24x minus 20y is equal to minus 8. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3, I get y is equal to 23, 11y is equal to 23. So y is equal to 23 upon 11. By putting y is equal to 23 upon 11, we get x is equal to 31 upon 22. X is equal to 31 upon 22, which is 1 upon u. So 1 upon u is equal to 31 upon 2. When we cross multiply it, we get u is equal to 22 upon 31. Y is equal to 1 upon v, and we get 1 upon v is equal to 23 upon 11. Then v is equal to 11 upon 23. How we get value of u and we hope you understand it Very well. U is equal to 22 upon 31 and V is equal to 11 upon 23.